how to buy treat token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X account. And as you can see, they have a big community there. Now go and engage with that community and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. And to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here and open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. And after that, select the Ethereum network from here and click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. Now add this token, but before that, make sure to read that warning. If you are ready to go, click on confirm and add it to your wallet. Now after that, go back to your wallet and find your token. As you can see, this is it. Now click on swap here, switch one here, and here select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is how much you receive that token. After that, click here on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy your token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.